To start, and as I'm sure we have Nana Bain Crensel in goal. Nana Bain Crensel in goal. Ben Ajay at fullback. Soa Anyate at left back. Thomas Quay at half back. Paul Ajoda, very confident player, at centre half. Ben Dugbate at wing half. Saint-Tropez Accra on the right. Ezekiel Alamu, another dribbler at the inside right. And the man I like so much, Ajete Soa at centre forward, a striker who gets so fast so often. And the ball is already in the Kotoko danger area. And Odum saves splendidly from Aduanan at left wing. Shamokwei at the inside left. And Odum, surely the rubber man, one of the best goalkeepers on this continent of ours. Mohamed Odum in goal for Asante Kotoko. Isaac Eshen, fullback. The referee changing the ball. And this thing has happened in the Accra Sports Stadium some time ago. Kotoko against Hazard. The ball was changed. And on that day, the scoreline, Kotoko 2 0. Who knows? It might happen again. Number 7, Ron Eady, centre half, another national star. Then Yaya Kasum. Isaac Kwachi, a young 19-year-old playing number 7.